palm out.
Yeah, palm out. Okay. Uppercut. Bring your hand in. Left arm comes in. Uppercut. Right arm. Then horse stance. Left punch. All right. Skip. And double block. Closed hand. Middle block and high block. Lower your left arm and uppercut with the left and protect your face with the right. Pull, horse stance punch with the right arm. Then turn to the back mirror and kick. Open hand. And open hand block. Open hand block. Spear hand. Okay. Turn, open hand block. Open to the corner. Open hand straight line, double open hand block. Then shift left foot into front stance, punch and block with the right arm, same arm. Kick, left middle punch, left outside block. Then front kick, punch with right arm. Then T block with right arm in front, front stance. Turn down block, open hand. Corner high block, and turn down block, open hand, turn high block, support the out, down, roll, back to right, down, beat,